What would be cool? What if every user had their own set of things? How would you like it if you signed into Gmail and you saw every email that every Gmail user has? It's probably not the best. So let's maintain separate lists for everybody. So how could we do that? The way they're stored here in the database, what if instead of things and then the thing, what if we put a key in here that is the user ID? The user ID is this big, long, nasty number, but let's pretend that mine's just dstruce. So what if we had dstruce, and dstruce had inside it things, and inside it thing1 ID thing1 name bib cussin lettuce. Like that. What if we did that? So everything were scoped underneath the user. You dig? So then when we sync state, we can include the user ID in the endpoint that we're syncing with. I like it. Let's try it. All right, that's phony, so let's get rid of it. So where do we set the endpoint that we're syncing with? There's very little in this file that actually deals directly with Firebase. I bet if I'm looking for the place where I sync with an endpoint, it's going to be the place where the word sync appears. Yeah, sync things. So if you'll recall, sync state, which is something on Rebase, takes two arguments. The first is the endpoint on Firebase. The second one tells it what part of our state we want to sync with it, this.things. So instead of things, we want user ID things, right? So instead of typing things here, I'm going to put a template string using backticks. Going to do some interpolation and put what? How do I get my user ID? My UID? Where's my UID being stored? In state, right? Now, since Clayton already told you that the UID is stored in state, how do I get the UID? Sam 8000? Gosh darn right, this.state.uid. This.state.uid. Now you might think it's dot things then, but it's slash. This is an API endpoint. So that says, so basically this API has an endpoint for each sort of level of the hierarchy. When we first set this up and looked at the README for Rebase, it told us this basically. So we want it to be UID first, then things, and it's going to sync that with this.state.things. So let's change that. Let's see what happens over here. Looks like I'm signed in because I have a sign out button instead of a sign in button, but I see no things. So let's add one. Hey, Adam B. I mean, not Adam B. Sorry, Alex B. What's your favorite TV show? Who's your favorite character on Family Guy? Stewie. Hey, Jason. What's your favorite TV show? South Park? You guys and your dirty cartoons, man. Who's your favorite South Park character? Kenny. Okay. Let's go look at this thing. We got way too many things here. But look, in addition to the things, now we have this big, long, nasty string. I bet that's my UID. Drill down in there. I see things. Haha. I see Stewie. I see Kenny. It's happening. All right. For my next trick, I'm going to need a volunteer from the audience. Really? That was easy. Someone actually volunteered? All right, Ryan, come up here. Oh, right. Do you know your GitHub password, perchance?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Like everybody uses a password manager, so. We're about to find out. I'm going to open a private browsing session so I'm not already logged in. Let's go to localhost 3000. Go ahead and sign in with GitHub, sir. Oh man, he's sitting down. He's in it for the long haul. Sorry. Yeah, this is the actual authorization. You already signed into GitHub on your machine, so you skipped a screen. All right. I don't see my things. Thank you, sir. Hey, Billy Bob Thornton. What's your favorite TV show? Sons of Anarchy. Who's your favorite character? What's that? I'm trying to click this, okay. JAX. Who's that? Is that like Charlie Hunnam or whatever his name is? All right. Hey, Charlie Bob Thornton. What's your favorite TV show? Parks and Rec. Who's your favorite character? Leslie. Nope. All right. Let's go out and look at the Firebase. First of all, let's see. They didn't show up on mine. Ooh, I got two of these things now. Oh, yeah. There's Stewie and Kenny. There's Jackson Lexley. Oh, man. The magic. Let's refresh the page here, see if I get the same stuff back. I do. Let's sign out, sign back in. Yeah. But thank you for asking. Hey, we got the same stuff. This is looking good. What if we do it over here? Let's just refresh again. We get them back. We sign out. We sign in. We get them back. Holy smokes, we've done it. We have scoped things by users. Look at us. Scope things by UID.